In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Robinhood fractional shares. Let's start by logging into your Robinhood account through the website. Open your browser and head over to robinhood.com. Once you're there, click on the Login button. It's usually located at the top right of the web page. With that done, the next step is to choose a stock you're interested in. Use the search bar at the top of the screen to find it. Type in the stock name or ticker symbol like AAPL for Apple or TSLA for Tesla. Click on the stock to open its detail page. This step is crucial because selecting the right stock sets the foundation for your investment. Now that you have the stock page open, it's time to start a trade. Click on the trade button you see on this page. Once you've done that, select Buy. This is where the action begins. Next up, you'll need to switch to fractional shares. You'll see a toggle near the top of the order screen. It might say shares or have a green label. Click this toggle and select Buy in dollars. This allows you to invest specific dollar amounts, enabling fractional share purchases. After switching modes, enter the amount of money you want to invest. It could be as little as $5 or as much as $100 or more. Robinhood will automatically calculate how many fractional shares you can buy with that amount. This step is important because it offers flexibility in how much you choose to invest. Once you've entered your desired investment amount, it's time to review your order. Click on the Review button. Here you'll see the estimated number of shares you'll own, the current price, and the total cost of your order. Take a moment to ensure everything looks right. This step helps prevent any mistakes before you finalize your trade. With your order reviewed, you are ready to submit it. Click the Submit button or, if you're using a mobile device, swipe up to confirm. Your fractional shares will now appear in your portfolio. You'll have a new position in the stock market. Before we wrap up, let's go over some important notes. Keep in mind that the minimum investment amount is usually $1 per trade. Also, fractional shares only work for eligible stocks and ETFs. Remember, trades will execute during market hours, which means your order will be processed when the market is open. You can even own very small fractions, like 0.001 shares. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to invest in fractional shares on Robinhood. This feature is a game changer because it allows you to diversify your portfolio without needing large sums of money. It's not just about owning whole shares anymore. You can start investing with smaller amounts and still participate in the market. Thank you for watching and happy investing. Remember to always do your research and invest wisely. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from learning about fractional shares on Robinhood. Until next time, take care and stay informed.